Okay, our next model is the same to convert the word problems into the pair of linear equations. Now the problems on the digits. Problems on the digit means a two-digit number and the relation between unit digit to the tens digit and at the same time tens digit to the unit digit. With the help of that relation, you have to form the linear equation and you can able to solve the values of unit digit and the tens digit. Okay. And one more thing is the units digit, tens digit. Tens digit number is the maximum number is a 99. And tens digits, two digit number starts with the 10 and ends with the 99. Now, let us see the information from the question. The sum of digits of a two digit number is a 12. The number obtained by interchanging the digits. Interchanging the digits means units place moves to tens place and tens place moves to units place. Interchanging the digits exceeds the number by 18. That means interchanging number is 18 more than the original number. Then find the number. Okay, let us see. Let my supposition is, let's see. Units place, tens place. Now units place is the x and the tens place is the y is my supposition. And from data sum of digits is given. Sum of digits is equal to 12 is given. That is given. Sum of digits is 12. Sum of the digits of a two digit number is 12. That is x plus y is equal to 12. This is equation 1. After that, let us see how to find the number. Number means the formula 10 times the tens place plus 1 times the units place. This is the formula. That is 10 times, what's the units, what's the tens place, y, plus 1 time units place, what's the units place, x. That is 10y plus x is your number. Number is 10y plus x. After that, what I want, the number obtained by interchanging the digits. What I want next, interchange number. Interchanging number means that is a 10x plus y. Now from data, the number obtained by interchanging. What is the number obtained by interchanging? That is 10x plus y. Is how interchanging the digits exceeds. How much exceeds? 18 by the number. Number means it is the original number. Original number means 10y plus x. It will exceed by 18. Now 10x plus y is equal to, now what we have to do is in this step, bring the like terms one side, that is 10x plus x bring to this side, that is a minus x is equal to 10y plus y take other side, minus y plus 18, that is 9x, that is equal to 9y plus 18. Now what we have to do is 9x is equal to, take 9 common from the both, that is y plus 2. 9 get cancelled, that is x is equal to y plus 2, which can be write as x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 2. Now see, from my equation 1, x plus y is equal to 12. From my equation 2, x minus y is equal to 2. Now what we have to do? Solve equation 1 and equation 2. That is equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 12, which is a given information. After solving after simplification, x minus y is equal to 2. Plus y minus y get cancelled because of the opposite signs. That is 2x is equal to 14. Now x is equals to 7. X is equal to 7 means that is a units place. Now this is equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in 1. That is x plus y is equal to 12. That is 7 plus y is equal to 12. Therefore y is equal to 12 minus 7, that is a 5. Y is equal to 5. Therefore I am ready with the value of the x, value of the y. Therefore original number is equal to, original number equation is 10y plus x. 10y plus x, that is equal to 10 times. What is the y value? See, what is the y value? Is a 7 plus units value, y value is a 5 and x value is 7. That is equal to 50 plus 7, that is equal to 57. That is 57 is your original number. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. Please go to your question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. Your 2-digit number is 57. Now 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, hence the checking. Okay, let us see the next problem, which is based on the digits. A 2-digit number is 3 more than 4 times the sum of the digits. If 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. Now here we have to focus on 3 steps. That is step number 1. You have to find out the number 1. You have to find out the number. Second is the sum of the digits. And third one is the reverse number. Now let units place is a x and the tens place is a y. Let us suppose. Now, what is the sum of the digits? Sum of digits is equal to x plus y. After that, find the number. Number is equal to 10 times the tens place y plus 1 times the units place, that is x. Number is equal to 10y plus x. After that, what is the interchange in number? Interchange in number is equal to 10x plus y. That means if you interchange the digits, the number obtained is called interchange in number. 10x plus y. Okay. Now follow. From data, what information I will collect? A 2-digit number is, what is the 2-digit number? 10y plus x is nothing but equal to, is 3 more. 3 more means 3 plus 4 times the sum of the digits. 4 times the sum of the digits means 4 times sum of the digits, you know, x plus y plus how much more? 3. That is, now simplify this step. 10y plus x is equal to, open the brackets, 4x plus 4y plus 3. Next, grouping, that is 10y plus 4y, bring this side, minus 4y is equal to 4x plus x, take other side, minus x plus 3. Now 10y minus 4y, that is 6y, is equal to 4x minus x, that is 3x plus 3. Now, in the RHS part, 6y is equal to, I want to take 3 as a common, that is x plus 1 left. 3 tables, 6 cancels 2 times, that is 2y is equal to x plus 1. Now, please make the grouping, that is minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Now, let us consider the case 2 again. What is the case 2? If 18 is added to the number, first of all, write the number. What is the number? That is, your number is 10y plus x. To the number 18 it will be added, that is 18 is equal to, what happened? Added to the number, the digits are reversed. The digits are reversed means we have to write the interchanging number, that is equal to 10x plus y. Now again grouping, x terms are one side and y terms are other side, that is 10y minus y is equal to 10x minus x minus 18, that is 10x plus x bring to the other side minus x plus 18 moves to the other side, that is minus 18, that is 9y is equal to 9x minus 18. Now 9y is equal to, from the RHS I take 9 common, that is x minus 2, 9 get cancelled, that is y is equal to x minus 2. Now therefore write this one in the equation form, that is variables other side, that is minus x plus y is equal to minus 2, this is equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. What is the equation 1? Equation 1 is minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. What is the equation 2? Minus x plus y is equal to minus 2. Then what you have to do? See, both the coefficients of both the equations are the same. In such case, I am unable to eliminate. Then change the signs, that is a plus, minus, plus. 2y minus y, that is a y. 1 plus 2, that is a 3. What is a y? What is a y? That is a tens place. Now, that is, this is equation 3. Therefore, tens place is equal to 3. Now, substitute equation 3 in your equation 1. What is your equation 1? Minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. That is minus x plus 2 times y value I know, that is a 3 is equal to 1. That is minus x plus 6 is equal to 1. That is minus x is equal to 1 minus 6 minus x is equal to minus 5. Both sides x get cancelled. Therefore, see, x is equal to 5. What is the x name? Units place. Therefore, units place is equal to 5. Now I am ready with the units place and the tens place. Now you can prepare a number. Number is equal to, you know the formula, 10 times tens place. What is your tens place? 3 plus 1 time units place, that is a 5. that is equal 10 threes are 30 plus 5 that is equal to 35. Therefore your number is 35. Okay, let us follow the next example. Solve the system of equations. If you observe these two linear equations, we can observe one thing, that is coefficients of x and y are interchanged. Coefficient of x is the 47 in the first one, and in the second one the coefficient of y is the 47. And the coefficient of y in the first one is the 31, and the coefficient of x in the second one is the 31. That is, coefficients are interchanged. Now, and at the same time in the second problem is also the coefficients are interchanged. In such cases, what is the procedure? Let us see now. Now, first of all, follow the first one, that is, let us suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. What you have to do is equation 1 plus equation 2 you have to do first. That is equation 1 plus 2, that is 37 47 plus 31, that is 7 plus 1, that is 8. 78x plus 78y is equal to 3 plus 5, 8, that is a 78. Take 78 common. X plus y is equal to 78. 78 get cancelled, that is x plus y is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Similarly, what you have to do is equation 1 minus equation 2 you have to do next. Equation 1 minus equation 2, that is 47x plus 31y is equal to 63. 31x plus 47y is equal to 15. Now subtract 16x minus 16y. Now 13 minus 5, 8, that is equal to 8. 1 is borrowed, that is a 5 minus 1, that is a 4. That is, take 16 common. X minus y is equal to 48. 16 table 48 3 times, that is x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Now I am ready with the value of x. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 1, 2 plus y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. Now, welcome to the second example. In the second example also the coefficients of x and y are interchanged in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 the coefficient of x is the 19, and in the second equation the coefficient of y is the 19. Okay, now let us see now to solve equation 1 plus equation 2. That is 19 plus 17, 36x. Now both are negative signs. Minus 36y is equal to Add 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 5, 10. That is 108. That is 36 take common. X minus y is equal to 108. That is 36 table 108 3 times. That is x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation 3. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. That is 19x minus 17y is equal to 55. 17x minus 19y is equal to 53. Here the process is subtraction. Please change the signs of lower equation. Minus, plus, minus. 19 minus 17, 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. Take 2 common. X plus y is equal to 2. 2 to get cancelled. That is x plus y is equal to 1. This is equation 4. Now solve equation 3 and 4. What is equation 3? X minus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 1. Plus y minus y get cancelled because of the opposite sign. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. Now I am ready with the values of the x. Now this is equation 5. Substitute 5 in any of the above equation. That is, I want to substitute in 4. That is, x plus y is equal to 1. That is, x value is a 2. 2 plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, I am ready with the values of x and y. That is, x value is 2 and y value is minus 1. Okay, let us see your next example. Solve the system of equations by substitution. Now, first, the given equations, linear equations are in the irregular form. First, convert that one into the regular form. After that, please follow the substitution method. Now, given equations are x by 2 plus y is equal to 0.8, comma 7 by x plus y by 2 is equal to 10. Now, first I convert this one into the regular form. That is, x plus 2y by 2 is equal to 0.8. That means the process I did here, the LCM. Now, x plus 2y is equal to 0.8 into 2. That is, x plus 2y is equal to 1.6. This is equation 1. Now, come to the second. First of all, please cross multiply. That is, 10 times x plus y by 2 is equal to 7. That is, the denominator part is a cross multiply towards to the 10. That is, after that 10 times, complete the LCM. 2 times x, 2x plus y by 2 is equal to 7. That is, 2 table 10, 5 times. That is, 5 times 2x plus y is equal to 7. That is, 10x plus 5y is equal to 7. Now, from this one, it is followed by substitution method. Convert x as a subject. X is equal to 1.6 minus 2y. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. That is 10 times x value is 1.6 minus 2y plus 5y is equal to 7. That is multiply with 10. 10 into 1.6, that is a 16 minus 20y plus 5y is equal to 7. That is 16 minus 20 plus 5, that is minus 15y is equal to 7. Now next, that is minus 15y is equal to 7 plus 16, please move to other side, minus 16, that is minus 15y is equal to 7 minus 16 minus 16 minus 7, that is a minus 9, that is a y is equal to 9 by 15. Convert this one into standard fraction. 3 table, 3 times 3 table 5 times, that is a y value is a 3 by 5. Now this is equation 3. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 1. That is x is equal to 1.6 minus 2 times 3 by 5. That is x is equal to 1.6 minus 2 3s are 6 by 5. X is equal to 16 5s are, that is 80, that is 8 minus 6 by 5, that is x is equal to 8 minus 6, that is 2 by 5. Therefore the value of x is 2 by 5 and the value of y is 3 by 5. Okay, let us check whether these values are right or wrong in the given equation. Take any of the equation of your choice. Okay, I will substitute in this one, that is x plus 2y is equal to 1.6. That is x value is 2 by 5 plus 2 times y value is 3 by 5 is equal to 1.6. That is 2 by 5 plus 2 3s are 6 by 5 is equal to 1.6. Denominators are same. Denominators are same means you can do the process what is there in the numerator, that is the process is addition. 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 by 5 is equal to 1.6. If you divide 8 by 5, you will get the answer 1.6 is equal to 1.6. That is hence the answer.